Welcome back, ninjas. Just doing a short video on some of the products we use here in the workshop. I'm not sponsored by Penrite, but as an Australian family-owned company since 1926, I give all my support to them, and I haven't had any problems with any of their products yet. So, in the frame here we've got some motorbike oils, coolant and drop 3 brake fluid. Also have a bottle of mineral oil for the ZZR 250 under the bench here, and got some Bendix Premium .4 brake fluid. My ZX7R came with a K&N filter, so I've got these, the air filter cleaner and the air filter oil. But I've gone back to a stock air filter now. Then the fork oil here is from when I rebuilt Fred's forks, and I also use Motul chain lube more often than not on all chains. Obviously this one's road, they do a dirt as well. Use this grease on all the bearings, etc. And I've got this new one because I run 91 octane in a 250cc, and I run a little of this through roughly every 10 tanks or so, just to keep it clean, because the fuel can be pretty average sometimes. And finally, I have a little tip for you. This silicone spray here is perfect for fitting your new grips on, as it's fast drying, and once the grip is on, I've never had a problem with them slipping. So yeah, there's my tip. As it even says on here, quick drying, no mess formula, safe on multiple surfaces, high performance lubrication. Right, so there's my little tip, and obviously there's many more products in here, but that's a quick run through the general stuff. So thanks for watching, and as always, let the good times roll.